The 21st century offers teachers many exciting opportunities and challenges. The lives of our students reflect the rapid advancement and availability of digital and web-based technologies throughout society. For teaching and learning success, we must accommodate digital natives' preferences and embrace shared and continuous learning within our classrooms. To ensure students develop the ICT capabilities necessary to become confident, resourceful and responsible users, we must integrate, model and explicitly teach the safe and responsible use of technologies into our teaching, learning and operational practices. I welcome the opportunity to engage in shared learning experiences with my students as we navigate the creation-orientated digital technologies curriculum, and will encourage our social and ethically responsible participation in online education communities around the globe. The 4 applications I have investigated for use in my classroom are Pic-Collage, Telegami, Comic Life and Number Pieces. Telegami is a free, easy-to-use app for Apple mobile devices, which allows a Gami to be customised, creating a 30-second animation. This app is portable, intuitive and quick to customise, providing immediate feedback and assessment as learning. It is easy to edit, save or share and project onto a whiteboard. It supports efficient collection of individual or group formative and summative assessment and allows communication with the class and community using digital native language. As a production tool, it supports all learning styles, is fun to use and watch, supporting, personalising, consolidating and celebrating learning experiences in any KLA across all year levels. It provides alternatives for students who struggle to demonstrate understanding in traditional formats, proving useful in my current learning and support role. My suggested use is as a summative assessment for an individual home-based Year 3 science inquiry project on changes of state and assumes a personal device. Students record the inquiry process in images using the iPad camera, creating a collage background. They describe the process and findings in the narration, emailing the finished product from the app to the teacher, simplifying administration. My children loved using this app, unassisted, for fun and to solve personal, real-world communication needs creatively. Pic-Collage creates collages using personal or web access photos, easy addition and movement of images and text in predefined or freestyle formats. This app's creative format and annotative capabilities and its ability to compress and combine multiple images into a single shareable format are an essential requirement in a graphic-rich digital world. A picture or series of pictures can literally speak thousands of words. Pic-Collage is used to consolidate the visual evidence gathered by a Year 3 student when conducting an at-home science inquiry project using Telegami. It incorporates the creative, critical and design thinking necessary to summarise and sequence the events, select appropriate images and modify them using the tool. Students select a format, add, adjust and annotate the collage, which allows the audience to cross-reference images with narration. Pic-Collage powerfully enhances the scope of other applications as learning and teaching resources, and by combining content from multiple sources, students' creations become content-rich, supporting and extending learning. An essential student and teacher resource across grades and KLAs, and accessible for learners of all abilities. Comic Life 3 allows insertion of images, text and speech bubbles to create professional-looking comics. It is powerful, fun and easy to use with application across the key learning areas. I explored the Windows version using laptops with a Year 4 class and the iPad version with my daughter. Comic Life can be used to support, extend and evidence Year 3 literacy. The app provides a scaffold to efficiently draft and publish an imaginative text using early understanding of newspaper structure, language features, print and multimodal elements to reach an audience and achieve the journalistic purposes. By personalising stimulus images, engagement and learning outcomes are improved as students apply creative and critical thinking to explore possible correlating events. A voice recording of a reread would reinforce receptive modes, support editing and self or peer evaluation. Another quality, fun resource available on multiple platforms and devices adding variety to our digital natives. Number Pieces is a free virtual manipulative which replicates and extends the functionality of traditional base 10 block. It helps students concrete mental representations of place value while building computational skills with multiple digit numbers. Features exist to manipulate and annotate workings to demonstrate understanding, allowing users to visually represent and write equations and expressions. I intend on utilising it as part of a maths toolkit to support algebra from Year 2 and number and place value across all grades, to visualise concepts and make mathematical thinking explicit via an interactive whiteboard and on personal devices. Its annotation capability, when combined with the imaging, screen capture and file sharing capabilities of today's interconnected world, supports frequent assessment for, as and of learning. Despite old school graphics, it is a historically valuable resource in a convenient format for learners of all abilities.